Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Teen Talks, where I give you videos that would help you grow your channel as well as yourselves. So let's start. For today's video, pag-uusapan po natin the latest update on the YouTube algorithm saying that tags are no longer important. Yes, you heard me correctly. Hindi na daw importante yung tags to help us get the search rankings or to get the views from those search rankings. And for the longest time, since this update, YouTube is already telling us about it. If you would look closely on the upper portion of the tag toolbox, it simply states there, YouTube is already saying, and I quote, "Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video." So knowing this, another question comes to mind. So does it mean that SEO or search engine optimization or your video optimization is not important anymore? Of course, the answer is no, hindi. It still plays a vital role in your channel growth and it's still very important for you to grow in YouTube. So ano nang gagawin natin? So YouTube is already telling us that there's other factors that they are now looking into to have your videos rank on the search engine. And that is what I'm going to be discussing with you moving forward. So you have to stay with me until the end of the video because I'll be giving you those details. So let's start. Tags are out, keywords are in. Kung dati, laging nasa isip mo is tags, tags, tags. Ngayon, the word would be keywords. So you have to know the correct and most effective keywords to use for your video for your certain topic. And currently, I've been experimenting with some of my videos and I'm using the app TubeBuddy. And if you still don't have it, I'm putting the link down below. Click it and download it because TubeBuddy has been helping me a lot in identifying the keywords to use for my videos. So when you use TubeBuddy, go to the Keyword Explorer and type in the keywords you want to use or the specific topic of your video. The Keyword Explorer will generate a score for the specific phrases or words that you use. Now, ano yung ibig sabihin ng score na yun? The score is derived from three things. First is the search volume. Marami bang nagsa-search for that specific topic or for that specific phrase? Second, marami bang videos ang nagko-compete at specific keywords? Next, of course, is the total overall strength of the keywords. For this one, it's an excellent, it's in 100 over 100. Another example is if you type how to draw. How to draw is very general. Kung titignan nyo, it's poor. Sobrang baba ng scoring niya. Bakit? Maraming nagsa-search for this specific topic, pero marami ring nagko-compete na video for this specific topic. So, napakababa ng score niya. You wanna make your keywords a little bit more specific. So, try to put how to draw a butterfly. Tumaas ng konti yung score. But if you make it a little bit more specific, how to draw a butterfly for kids. Higher score, more specific, and more chances of ranking in this type of content. I'm trying to show you how to use the free version of the TubeBuddy. But of course, if you do use the paid version, mas maraming keywords ang ibibigay nito sa'yo. So now you know how to find your right keywords. Now it's time for application. Where do you put those keywords? Number one, or step one, would be on your title. Proper titling is very important. Kailangan tama yung pagkakagawa mo ng title for your videos. And you have to put those keywords on those titles. The most searchable keywords with the highest grade for you or with the highest points for you, yun ang gamitin mo for your title. It doesn't necessarily have to be in order para dalawa yung chances mo na mapunta sa rank. So, you have to put yung dalawang may pinakamataas na points on the TubeBuddy app. Yun yung ginagamit ko personally for my video when I use this, when I use the keywords for my title. And that's what I did for one of my videos. For example, this video about Western Union being removed, I tried to change the title several times because I really want to have it rank first on the search engine. So what I did is, on the first part is one keyword slash and another keyword on the second. If you would go search it on YouTube using the keywords that I used, you will see that my video is on the number one rank. It's ranking number one on this certain topic. And if I use the second keywords, makikita nyo pa rin, it's still ranking number one. This is my most viewed video right now. It's given me a lot of views, and on a daily basis, it still keeps on converting views for my channel. And not just views, it already gave me a steady increase of number in my subscribers. So again, it's working for my channel right now. Let's see another video. This one is about terminated channels. I also made use of a combination of 2 keywords for my title, and if you would see, I am ranking on the first, and if not the first, on the second when you search about this topic. So again, these are 2 videos that is performing very well on my channel right now, and it's steadily giving me views and subscribers. That just by changing the title, I'm already seeing the growth. Now, the second factor to rank on the search engine is your description box. As per YouTube, you need to have at least 250 words on your description box to use it efficiently and effectively. Now, you ask, saan ako kukuha ng words na yan? I don't know how to do descriptive narrative. So, papasok ulit yung keywords natin. You collect as many keywords as you can with the help of the TubeBuddy. Get those keywords, write it down, and then you put it inside your description box. Pero, you're not just gonna put it there as plain phrases. You have to construct it seamlessly in a way na pinagdudugtong-dugtong mo sila to create one nice and very good description of your video. So what I'm trying to say is you have to use as many keywords as you can in constructing those 250 words for your description box. So again, the more keywords that you can put in inside the description, the better, because the more information the algorithm can get. But you have to construct it in a way that it sounds natural. It's just like you're explaining. So you have to create sentences after sentences using those keywords within your description box. So how does description help you rank your videos? After constructing those 250 words, you have to keep in mind that the first 2 sentences is one of the most important sentences on your description. It should contain as many keywords, or it should contain the top 2 keywords with the highest points for your video. Because when you look at the search engine, for example, you search how to grow a tomato plant. If you search this one, you would see that YouTube is cutting the description after the first 2 sentences. So you would only see the first few lines of your description. And you would see these keywords on bold letters. Naka-bold siya. So ibig sabihin, the algorithm is catching those keywords on the first 2 sentences. It's giving the algorithm more signals to recommend and suggest your video once it's been searched by viewers. So again, put your highest points keywords on the first 2 sentences or the first 25 words of your description. So by combining these 2, the title and the description together, sending signal to the YouTube algorithm on what your video is all about. When someone searches for your target topic, then it's gonna be easier for the algorithm to recommend your video. So again, the algorithm works on signals, the algorithm works on metadata, and this metadata in layman's term is the keywords that we use. If the algorithm can match those keywords with what the viewers are searching for, then most likely you will be having your videos rank on the search engine. I've tried this personally. That's why I'm sharing this with you. This is giving a very good turnout for my videos, and it's giving a steady increase, a very nice increase on my channel subscribers count and my views. We are already in this time where tags are not that important anymore. Even if you upload a video without tags, as long as you correctly put the title and the description. So bottom line is, even if you don't put tags anymore on your videos, it would still gonna be ranking. So does it mean you don't have to put tags anymore? Tags is still there to help. It's just another additional tool to help the algorithm. You can still keep on using the tag box. So what I do is I personally use the tag box as my keyword storage. I just put it there. A good set of keywords from my TubeBuddy, because later on, that's where I'm looking at while I'm composing my description. So, ganun ko lang siya ginagamit. Tags are there. You can still keep on using the tags box. Again, for additional information or additional signal for the YouTube algorithm. But the most important factors right now for you to search in ranking is if you made the correct title using the right keywords together with a very detailed and informative description box. So that's it. I hope I was able to enlighten you about this topic and give you additional information on how you can start improving and growing your channel. If you still have questions about this topic, please do not hesitate to comment it down below as I answer all the comments that I receive. And thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again on another episode of Teen Talks. Bye guys!